Mac and Cheese Bake Off, sponsored by Niantic Main Street, as a fundraiser for the Miracle League of Southeastern Connecticut.
Tell a friend. We are fundraising for a fully accessible athletic field to be built here in East Lyme. It's through the Miracle League of Southeastern Connecticut and the farmers market. The proceeds from the Mac and Cheese Cook-Off go to that, and we can't be more thankful to the partnership from Niantic Main Street, from the farmers market, and from everybody. It's been great.
It was delicious. Thank you.
So thank you for all the restaurants that contributed, and for the Mac and Cheese Cook-Off here, and that the proceeds go to the Miracle League Field. I can't thank you enough for doing it. I know it's second annual, so I appreciate that. This year's winner from Scott's is Kyle, and so thank you. He had the big brisket barbecue.
Thank you.
Congratulations.